Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy. Hope you guys doing good. And guys, let's go. Oh, don't pay attention on my laundry because I have a lot of things to do. Oh, I have a lot of things to do. So, but first of all, I wanted to show you something. I have to hide the aerial towel. I have to hide it. Let me show you something. So, you see them something? Powdered spots. Them all over we house here, and we and Errol, we officially say no ants in our house, and that's how we find ants in our house, because so far it's the best way to get rid of them. And if I'm gonna show you more spots, you're gonna say Swaggy. See them? Errol throws powder when him see ants, because I cannot figure them out. Errol can't figure them out. We don't know why they keep coming back. Even, alright, would understand if they would come back to the kitchen, because, you know, food there and everything there, you know, but bathrooms, like, bedrooms, and them come, but I understand, you know, me clean the place, you know. Me not dirty girl, you know. Me clean the place. I always try to clean every spot, and but I'm still coming. Understand why? Maybe I threw us new, so them just there. I have no idea now. But thanks God we don't have flies, because I know this is the problem also here on the island. We used to have them in Portmore, flies, yeah man. But here we have only ants, but them annoy us, you know. Them annoy us. Me tired of them, me sick of them, me sick of ants them, you know. Somebody come take them. Here, so far the powder helps us a lot. Powder is a miracle, but I just don't like how it looks all over the house, you know. Cause me can't send it enough. I have to clean the spots, and then, you know, but I'm gonna come back in thousands. So that's what we do. That's how we stop them, you know. Like, you know, people stop vampires with the garlic, so we stop ants with powder. I know that's crazy, but our house been sprayed and nothing helps. I mean, yeah, our house have been sprayed from ants and termites them. Yeah, so I don't understand. You're right. Can you explain this to me? You're right. Why did you put this around the hose basket?
Around Dopey.
Looks so.
No, ants them go for your kids.
What
the
that?
kids them probably, the cotton candy they don't eat.
Oh.
Probably go put in uniform and then be ants in the basket. So.
Alright.
Ants powder.
If you call your ant killer.
Yeah, ants. You know when I give them the verse. No dear. Ants problem. Me and ants get a lot.
Yeah,
I
man.
like to see them. And I Swaggy, no matter what me I do, I have to kill them.
Come there, come here. Danny, don't close the door. Open. Открой. Паню. Ужас. Ужас. Sit. It's for girls.
That's for girls.
Guys, I found Thai fish sauce in Jamaica in the regular store. So I decided to try it because I used to love fish sauce back in the days when we used to live in Asia. But Hero just does not
That shit smells bad.
feel the vibes.
That smells like something somebody vamped up.
What?
Yeah, it smells bad. You.
It's actually good. You need to try it.
Yeah, but it smells bad. So maybe it tastes good, but it smells bad.
I know. It's strong.
Strongly smell bad.
Why? But tea is good though. So yeah, Errol doesn't get it. Errol doesn't get it. So look what I do. Here, so I have my chopsticks. So, Errol, come try it.
No, never.
Come try it. That's good.
Volume 23.
It tastes so good. You see, deep it in there. Try it.
No,
Only one try.
that's my bad.
See, guys, Errol's secret collection. What that there? Errol picture.
No, so you know,
Bracelet.
So you're gonna actually want to escape this, you know.
Wow.
So these are the first gift we buy each other when we're there Thailand.
You bought it when you was traveling to an away game.
Buy a matching bracelet. See that, Katrina? Buy one swaggy with and she lost it.
But because the life was so fast that time.
She lost it, but
I tell you, the life was so fast because we were moving from one country to another, and we just, it's sad.
Yeah, she lost it. I'm in the last man.
I just, me don't even remember when Code disappeared.
And then now, this.
Sorry.
What money is Russian money? Yeah, guys, this.
This are 10 rubles.
Let me tell you the story behind it.
10 rubles.
So you don't tell me the story. Give me the story, guys. This, when Swaggy fly from Russia to come to me the first time in Thailand, this is the only money she come with. It's the exact.
No, don't
10
wow
rubles.
it.
How much 10 rubles value in it?
10 rubles. That time?
Eight.
That
No,
time?
it's a little bit of nothing. So,
You mean no or that time?
that time, could I buy nothing?
Maybe it was like a 50 cents, No, it's
Half of that.
less than a 50.
Yes,
Yeah,
so
I've
this is
had
the exact money.
less
like,
than 50
this is how
cents,
she
man.
come with.
A real Trump changing.
Danny, this is not a toy. This is what mommy come with.
A little bit, yeah.
Daniel?
Danny, behave yourself. Behave yourself. Behave yourself.
So this,
And relax.
and then you have.
We have in here.
Who give me the money? Because me used to also.
That look like
Cambodia. Oh.
Cambodia,
So I
yeah.
went to Cambodia for renew my visa. And this
Man, a
the
Cambodian
total
money that.
Cambodian money.
Yeah.
So I love collect money. I'm gonna show them the. Hopefully, in
The collection.
I know these worth millions. Every Jamaican would I know this.
I'm gonna see this money again. That's like a old money though.
Yeah, this not
20.
spend again.
Alright then.
Yeah, it's a Jamaican money. So the
It's Danny.
screen, so you know, say I'm not 50 years from now. The currency went up. This I think from Singapore. Oh, I went to Singapore as well.
Yeah, Singapore. You can see it on the money.
And another story. We can't believe how Singapore is beautiful and pretty, clean, like clean, no crime, no nothing. And then we see Singapore Prime Minister come to Jamaica. We come look at model of country. So we just save that. And then now, the one thing say,
$10.
still can't spend but we frame it. So I just feel like say one day the world will go cashless. And they can frame.
One.
Yeah, all of them are free, remember they are Thailand. These, remember I told some go Thailand with $50? These are probably $16 out of the $50 I'm going to do.
Okay.
Yeah, so we do frame them and we do it. And maybe not the exact same one, but I know all of them framing are done in Thailand, so maybe are them, who knows. This is Brazil, I think I'm a Brazilian team.
Remember one time you framed some big Thai money or Vietnamese money, and whoever was framing asked if you really want to frame it and you don't want to spend it.
I'm so get to the currency today. So these are from Brazil. We have a Brazilian teammate in Thailand and give me this.
Alright. Next.
So you
Next. Oh, this is the $50 with the children. The other day they were saying like some fakeness was going around. Like people did I say like something like check the children. I don't know, something in them. Like Fifi, if you know if real or fake. Yeah, check the children.
yeah, so me frame because of 50th anniversary money. And see?
I think at 20 or some the whoever was framing asked if
So
you
this
don't
is a
want
real
to spend
$20.
it.
Maybe need to take it out and spend it. How much money
You can't take. I don't think you can take it out.
$36. Need anyone 5 or 6. Yeah. Then you have who this Cambodia again?
Cambodia.
Oh, Korean teammate them give me this. Guys. Some South
1,000. I don't remember the money I
So
got.
here from where again this. So give mommy give me this.
Yeah, it's 200. Oh, that's my taxi money. Give me.
Yeah, real money?
Yeah.
Oh.
What people will not spend it, people will put it on.
And these are from the World
100
Cup
rubles.
goalkeeper, Russia.
See? Now I have a taxi money in case.
This can't spend though.
No, you can spend it, but better you keep it because it will, one day it will
Millions.
worth good amount of money. Not millions, but
Yeah.
people will buy it
Buy it. Yeah, guys.
from you for more than whatever.
No. And then we have this
That
now,
costs.
guys. This is a big money.
Time man said to you, are you crazy for him in
Let me
that?
the film. This is time and say my madman.
It's like maybe $20.
This will be like a 5.
It's a 5,500.
It's like
$20, yeah.
100 baht. Yeah.
Yeah, you could
This
could
are like-
go
this are- this are
could
like-
take your girlfriend to
Yeah, man, could
to
have
a
kept
restaurant.
and eat
Yeah,
and
man.
eat.
that time.
Really big at the time. Yeah, that Thai guy.
Oh, he's that. He's a king of Thailand. Do you remember, like, every time we were in the cinema watching the movie, when it was a time for the national anthem, they were playing national anthem. They were showing, like some, I think, a film about the king from when he was young to when he, like, got old, and and everybody should get up, stand up, and watch it on the feet, like to show respect.
But Jamaica the same. The national anthem up here.
Yeah,
Everybody stand up.
but in Thailand, people took it really serious. People were like really serious about it. Like you could see all Thai people standing. And even like we were standing because we feel
this
sound.
is
Yeah,
it.
you can hear.
Thai people
Yeah.
are making.
Yeah, man. This
Like, give me this thing.
These are like old thing, from Soviet Union. One old Vietnamese guy saw me, grandpa in the park walking. I used to exercise. So I said, "Oh, you're Russian." Oh, in Vietnam, yeah. So I said, "You are Russian?" I said, "Yeah." So he gave me this. I guess when he went there, well, you can collect it. It's good for collection, though. It's the whole
no,
thing,
so them things
like
are worth-
the party. It's like a party like you have in Jamaica. Yeah, so this they used to have in Soviet Union.
So this is a long time. This is from Soviet Union.
Yeah,
right?
man, Soviet Union. So I think he went that time, and he maybe was some kind of member. Maybe he studied there, and here he was a member of
Well,
it.
it's a 10K. Okay, I don't know.
What you mean 10K? You mean I know?
10 carat something.
What
10
if I
carat
go?
brands.
What if I gold?
I don't go, man. Probably brands or something. But I don't know.
10K? We're saying like interchanging. I don't know.
Well, yeah, I hope say couple
Couple
50, right? Yeah,
Not the couple,
yeah, 50
more than
someone
couple.
can be alive.
And
for
can sell
eBay.
eBay it here.
Everything right, that's all. Yeah, eBay right now. Youth.
Yeah. Why
How's
not?
the Monday?
Why
Where
not?
done it the Monday?
That's my money, my taxi money. I don't know where you
That
get it
can go in
from.
my collection too.
No, it can't go. It's my taxi money. You cannot have it. I'm gonna go to Russia. Me and my
I
taxi.
got about things. Don't follow.
I always keep like a little money, Russian money. I don't really spend it. I keep a little bit. So I come to Jamaica with little Russian coins, money. So in case like next time I need to go, I don't have to run around the airport changing money. I always have taxi money and tip money. Yeah, because when I travel, I have a lot of bags, so I gotta have some money to tip people in the airport to help me. Yes, cause guys, nothing is free. You have to pay for everything. Yeah, so tip money, always have it in your pocket. Where you found my Russian money? This is my taxi money in case I go back to Russia.
There's a house in here.
Cannot lose the taxi money. Daniel, it's a taxi money. When we go to Russia, we will use it for the taxi. We'll pay for the taxi, yeah, but we'll definitely need to put some more on it. Guys, if I could, I would wear this type of pants 24/7 in Jamaica because it's so amazing. I think I ordered it from Amazon and it made in Thailand, but the material is so nice, so light. I know, like it might look like a bit weird, but they are so comfy. I tell you guys, if I could wear them like every day, I would do. Because look upon that. A nice print. I love the print. Love the print. The elephants, them Thai style elephants here. Them look nice too. Woo! This is how our day ends on the island of Jamaica.
Yeah. This place
Yes,
is so
we met the sunset on our veranda.
This place
All
is
from
so
the-
beautiful. This place is so nice and cold.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
But the rest of you have cold just like the oceans.
О, тебе нравится в России тоже? Тебе нравится, что в России холодно, да? И есть снег, да, Лео? И можно делать снеговиков.
Look at this one.
Понятно. Leo just loves Russia because it can be cold and can be snowy. He can make snowmen. Leo dream is to make a snowman.
But I cannot make a snowman in the orchards because they didn't have any snow. They're
Yeah.
heavily cold.
Oh, it's only when it's chilly, rainy, but no snow.
But there was out there. There was out there, but it's clean. But all of them are all clean. But this one,
The rain washed away Leo work of art washed away Leo pictures, yeah? You're drawing what you was drawing to wash away. Sorry, that's how it goes.
that's what happened.
You have to draw again. Yeah, guys.
Then
Just chilling
this
doing.
house.
I cannot because
Braces.
if you see something stuck on a brace, I just ate the pineapple. So
Tastes
goes.
yum.
Ah,
Yum.
you like the pineapple, Leo?
Tastes sweet.
Leo, do you like school?
Yeah.
School good? Difficult or no?
Difficult.
Difficult? Yeah, you have a lot of work, right?
Last time, Daddy buy the Spider-Man car.
Oh, cool. And you love
But I
it.
love it. Because there was a
You see, Earl, when you moved all the toys, Leo cherished his
One
last
toy.
piece of toy. He even sleeps with it. You know, every night he goes to bed with this pack of cars.
And them more focus. Them do the homework better when
Check
there's
it
no
out what
toys.
we draw.
Them do the homework better when there's no toys. And them focus more. So I said, no toys only on Friday and Saturday and Sunday. Only school work during the week.
So right now you can only smell it.
Yeah, madam just eat, but I try eat it. And by doctor say nothing tough.
I don't think you can use it in, like you can do it in the mixer, no?
No,
In a
man.
blender.
Man.
Blender, go mash up. Kill a blender. Blender will be destroyed.
When I go and enjoy my cane, because by the time we reach out 50, I can't chew cane, man. Or 60. And then the teeth might get weak. And probably come out.
So your teeth not sensitive? You don't feel pain when you bite it? Feel pain.
No.
Like sometimes it's like, you know, the pain, you know, have to make you eat anymore.
Cane on life, dog. You know, eat cane. Sometimes I don't even catch diabetes.
Guys, just the other day I told Errol what scared me in the night. So we had a balloon, just normal little balloon that I blow for the kids, a birthday balloon here. So he was just laying somewhere in the living room and probably bust and just, you know, made such a scary noise. So, you know, I ran to the door and I swear I saw like, well, I was so scared. I was just thinking like somebody tried to bomb me.
We eat, but you know it, buddy.
But you wasn't scared at all.
You know, because when I
You're a
grow up here,
gangster.
but when I grew up here, oh, every night, so
Mm.
you used to. You're not every night.
Factor fear is
Yeah.
missing.
I used to see you. You don't eat them things at night.
Oh.
Like crackers.
Like what I was scared.
Yeah, so you was scared, you just easy. Salt, no barrel, no tam, no cheese, high moist.
Yes. Errol is a Vietnamese undercover agent in Jamaica. Well, Errol knows more than me because Errol spent a lot of time with his Vietnamese teammates teaching him how to count in Vietnamese.
To curse bad words in Vietnamese.
Yeah, first thing probably they taught you how to cuss in Vietnamese. That's what they did when I was dancing. When I used to go to the dance classes, they used to teach me like bad words too. I don't know, like every time, like even Russian people, first time I could teach foreigner a bad words, how to cuss. It's like such a human thing, you know. It's like the only one.
No, Jamaican might teach a man first.
Yeah, man.
But no,
they might teach you like bomb flat and them.
Yeah. Oh yeah, cussing so.
No,
like it's a good word.
That for me, yeah, because for me, I still didn't realize those are like real bad words, you know, real bad words. For me, something like, you know, part of the culture, you know, but you can lose your teeth using them. Yeah. So he says the baddest, what the baddest word in Jamaica?
Can't tell on YouTube.
Like with S, yeah, M. A at the end. Oh, wow. So you can lose a life telling that to people. Oh, real strong word, real strong phrase that can
start a fight.
Yeah, start a fight.
No, they're watching movie.
Daddy, baby. Daddy, but Daddy, you're a baby. Daddy,
show me, Danny. Show Daddy. That's Daddy when he was a baby. Yeah, and that's Daniel when he was just born. Yeah, so they kind of have the same shape with Errol and Danny, but him like more, him lost weight, you know. When he just born, he used to fluffy like a, I don't know, like a bun. And that's Leo and his Vietnamese classmates. Just wanted to show you. Cause I know like I tell Leo really grew up in Vietnam. See Leo in the traditional Tet clothes. Tet clothes is the Chinese New Year clothes. So yeah, if you celebrate Chinese New Year, happy Chinese New Year to you. And this week before kids, when we just come to Thailand. Errol was playing soccer in Thailand, football. In Thailand is football. Yeah, and I asked Errol to buy me a dog. And hold on. The dog lost in our family. I think less than 2 months, you know. Yeah, cause at that time our landlord used to complain about dog noise, and yeah, man, we had to give the dog away. It's so sad. Yeah, because I think this dog's still alive though. Most alive. Oh, I'm gonna show you more pictures that we. And this is the picture. Me and Errol was sitting in the coffee shop, and I just found out first time when I was pregnant that I was pregnant. That happened when I was 18 years old. You see my boobs them big because my body started to change, but I have a story what happened next, so you probably can find it on my channel. So I ended up losing the baby here, but this is the picture. I think it was taken before 2 days before everything happened. Yeah, man, cause me remember the dress. Yeah, man, before we lost our first child. So I remember I wanted to name. If I don't know why, but I was like thinking it would be a boy and I would name him Emmanuel, but yeah, never happened. So yeah, man, these are the same from the same day. Yeah, man. So we just, you know, and we just never had a baby. Yeah. And see, there we're in Thailand. Show you. One thing about Errol, he's the man. He will make sure he will print the pictures and put them in an album, because he does not really believe in the digital store. So him say like one day it might crash. So I always say to me like, Swaggy, good to have them printed, because you know tomorrow we might lose the social media, you know, like make sure you print them. They're all printed like we brought from Asia maybe 10 photo albums, good sized photo albums. Well, I'm rate for that, so we have memories. If for me, I would just store them somewhere like a on a memory card or somewhere. But you know, he's the man who will make sure them in the album where them really belong. Hey guys, and that is it for today. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.